Hi, I'm Jordan and I'm a second year heavy diesel apprentice at Komatsu. I started playing football when I was 4 and progressed to the national level, competing in 2 age group World Cups and an Olympic tournament. Throughout this time I had a run of injuries and realised that I needed a more secure career. When I was looking at different mechanical apprenticeships, Komatsu stood out because it is an industry leading company and the training that they provide both in New Zealand and Australia was appealing. Each day brings something different. I could be in the workshop doing a full undercarriage overhaul on a bulldozer one day, or out in the field working on a wheel loader the next. Each person that I work with has different skills that I can learn from, which has allowed me to build my techniques. I also know that I can rely on my mentor Rodolfo for anything that I may need help with. I would recommend an apprenticeship with Komatsu because you're not limited to being only a technician after your apprenticeship. There are opportunities to broaden your skills, which opens the doors to many different career paths.